The final issue with developing a biomarker that's clinically applicable is to have an assay that everyone can have access to. It's relatively inexpensive and is reproducible across centers. So what's happening right now with Neurofilament is that there's one company that has the Simoa assay, and they will run these tests in-house, and that's very reproducible. They also sell what's called a home brew kit, where you can make the assay yourself, and if you have a really sophisticated immunology lab, it turns out you can pretty much reproduce the in-house Quanterix data. But if you're new or not paying attention to how the assay is run, there's potential for a little bit more noise. And so one of the concerns when new biomarkers are being developed is that one group gets a different result from another, and then you don't know which is actually correct. Another one is just getting the result back quickly, because you want a big company that could handle thousands of samples. There are hundreds of thousands of people with MS around the world, and so you really need a platform that's automated, not something where someone is pipetting samples into a dish and over the holidays they may not be there, so you don't get the result for 2 weeks. That's not going to work. So one of the neat things that Biogen is doing, they're partnering with Siemens, and Siemens is trying to develop a platform where this assay could be as sensitive as the present one, but available in a more automated fashion that could be scalable to provide a service globally, so that everyone could be using the same test and interpret the results in the same way.